everybody, Crafting Journey. Oh boy, I really enjoyed looking at every one of your mystery diamond paintings and trying to figure out what they are. So I have put together a collage. This is from the second community mystery diamond painting event, and there will be a third. So I do apologize that I did not take the time to put the names onto each photo, but I think you'll recognize which one is yours, maybe which one is your partner's. Anyway, I hope you enjoy, and I will see you tonight in Mickey Sunshine Creates Live, where we will continue to work on our mystery diamond paintings. Bye everybody, take care.